Hey, welcome everyone to this quick tutorial in which I'm going to teach you how to connect a PS5 controller to the Nvidia Shield. Now, if you're looking for the written version of these instructions, you can find a link to my website in the video description. Now, before we continue, I just want to mention that once this is accomplished, that your experience may vary. It may not work with the app that you're trying to use. There is GeForce Experience, which you can stream your PC games through your Nvidia graphic card from your PC to the Nvidia Shield. That experience might vary, so just keep that in mind, but nonetheless, let's continue on with the process. So it's super simple. First thing you need to do is get the controller up for pairing mode. In order to do that, you need to press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button together at the same time until the light starts to flash on the controller. When it starts to flash, that's when you know it's in pairing mode. Okay, so with your controller set up in pairing mode, we're going to switch over to the Nvidia Shield now. Just ignore the fact that I have a major OS update pending. Kind of pretend that it's not really there on the screen, and we'll continue on. And Hocus Pocus 2. I thought these actresses were dead. Oh, okay, well, class, we learned something new today. They made a sequel to that movie, and we're going to learn on how to continue with pairing the controller, so let's ignore that. So go over to the main system settings menu in the far right corner, and with this menu open, what you want to do is go to remotes and accessories, and then add accessory. Wait for the controller to appear up, which is wireless controller. That's what the DualSense controller is actually called. Select it and wait for it to pair up. Acknowledge the pairing request, and it says it's paired. So the first thing I did after it paired up was hit the circle button, which is typically the back button on a PlayStation console or PlayStation controller. So I'm hitting circle again to go back. What I'm doing now is navigating using the D-pad. Now I'm using the joystick to navigate, so it shows that it works, it's paired up. Again, so pairing is successful, but your experience will vary depending on the application that you're trying to use it with. And that's pretty much it. It's a wrap. Super simple, right? If you need to connect your controller back to your PS5 console, if you have one, it's very easy. Turn on your PlayStation 5 console by pressing the power button on the console itself. Get the USB cable that came with your controller. Connect one end to your console, the other to the controller. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, and then you can disconnect the cable and you start using it in wireless mode with your PS5 once again. And that's a wrap. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my website and social network links in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.